So welcome everybody. We're currently live streaming on the internet so that we can deliver information about solutions for security, presentations, webinars, and even help you with projects. I have Steve, Joe, and Brad on the screen. Steve, why don't you give us just a quick update on how we're servicing our partners, with everything that's going on today.
Sure. As everybody knows, there's plenty of tools out there that are available for doing remote communications like this. And so everybody on our team's equipped with this, and we've taken a little bit of training over the past couple of days to make everybody more familiar with the use of the tools. In the end, we just want to make sure you're aware that all of our guys and gals are available to help, and not just via telephone, but via some helpful other tools like this. To show you product or do training or do whatever we need to do to fill your guys' time and help you keep things going during the stand down with the COVID-19 situation.
All right. So, Brad, you're going to give us a quick little rundown of, aside from the video chat that we have available, how you can do a presentation or work through a line diagram if somebody has some questions. So could you show us how that goes?
Absolutely. So with this support tool, we're actually able to have discussions on product demonstrations or PowerPoint sharing. We can do whiteboard drawings to talk through different situations or scenarios to kind of give you a visual. We can also leverage some remote support tools that we have as well. In the case that you have an actual issue, we can still be there to support you without an issue. For an example, going into a PowerPoint is really simple. And what we can do is talk through that as a group and continue to have an open discussion as if we were sitting at the same table with the customers. So we can go through, we can actually, with this tool, we can highlight certain areas, we can doodle on the PowerPoint pages, it's all virtual. So if anybody in the meeting needs to make a point or point out something specific in a PowerPoint presentation, we can do that. And anybody that has joined, any participant that's joined can do that. So it gives you every virtual tool that you would need as a visual aid to make sure that everybody's point's being communicated clearly. Another nice tool is we can actually use a whiteboard to emulate what we would have in an actual conference room. Instead of physically being there, we have the ability to share a virtual whiteboard at that point. And this can be passed between hosts. So if anybody needs to, if something's not being explained properly or you have a different view or something else in your head that you need to visualize for the group or team that's on the conference call or meeting, you can do that with ease. So drawing just a simple network diagram in a way to give you a visual aid is still as easy as if we were sitting in a conference room with an actual whiteboard. So these types of tools are going to be fundamental in the next couple weeks to ensuring that communication flows cleanly, smoothly, and that nobody really gets hung up on not being able to physically be in front of somebody. So these are necessary, I think, in making sure that we try and keep business as usual, as close as we can, while maintaining the separation that's needed at the current moment.
Okay.
So
thanks for that demo, Brad.
Absolutely.
And yeah, absolutely. And so our entire team has this capability, from the inside support folks to Joe Vega with his professional services, as Brad alluded to it. As always, our team is dedicated to rising to the occasion to help you out, whether it's in planning or in execution. So guys, thanks a lot for joining me on the call, and we look forward to working just a little bit more remotely than normal.
Hey, stay safe.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.